So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add Subscript on Google Docs, the mobile application. So if I were to go ahead and type in Subscript like this, and you wanted to add like Subscript, right beside it in small font, the simplest way for you guys to do it is to select your text right here. Then go to this middle bar on the far right. It says A with the underline. Select that. Then under text right here, there's a bunch of different options. You want to go where it says X and the 2, or the squared part is in the bottom right, so go ahead and select that. Then all of a sudden Subscript is turned on, so you can go ahead and type in Subscript this way, and then all of a sudden you've added Subscript to your text here on your document. So that is how to add Subscript on Google Docs, the mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.